Kwaba eba program yi eso and then so e dey na babo no e dey brem and na ipaje mu ba pe na no pay e dey foforo kra enso aba I dey brem na Tony Atrasi e be ko no hontentem na fi yakohe do babo no dey bre lines no ensign 0507168557 0507168557 and on the SMS line mo for WhatsApp near 0244 263902 0244263902 and on the WhatsApp line. I no they atu habit me the messages ni videos afaso they are brain. Your Twitter handle near at Kesben Sports M which me actually live or Twitter twitter.com/Kesben TV. Sanso and now with my download the Kesben FM app no Play Store ne also no what me sharing live Facebook Kesben Sports on Facebook live with me share there kosunyina on sa beka messages no I am my intentium at the amai na yetimi akan dodo no ama mo so beka program no Tony me tell ko kra me ba ho na nsema ho de course no matches no na ye hu de ere but call lines in the PPM and then some of no Fabre Alhaj Ashai Baba afu na eye kase kakra but Alhaj Seboko
Sejo alhamdulillah Sejo
mi jo woni di nam sa ponchin wan ya de woni di ho mari je won ponchin do sumti so we are
mari je won advice wo
Orepa
Sejo
Alhaj
Oreja branch here
you go kumbida
Oreja branch
okay Tony
I want you know good morning.
Good morning. Oh, PSC.
Yeah.
You for the Baguda for the Badasika Bema, PSC. And then I'm saying CBP, Munya de. Yeah, or Sammy. Now say Bakuda Badasa Bema, Anna Balco.
They be on back.
And then I'm saying Botumari. The CBP Alpha. I like this one.
Quality emena so sama echo so on conform am across yen chance enfefe enwa UEFA Nations League team across England elusi akabako a Denmark esho ma sago ne koye shamianti a omo enso entimi antina Alex Scott former player players no ekoye pa enso etimi ede emomo players a omo ekosi akan ede momo countries no bia enso am etimi enya bi boy Martin Braithwaite Barca mo shada enyusu no na enso kwa Denmark 3 games otim a boy and rampo oboa mam ko shenga ka ba ko a England team anti Ricky Puig boy am Spain under 21 ono enso enya couple of minutes ne manbo team across rabra am Spain and Faroe Islands and Kazakhstan enso a boy Miralem Pjanic PK injury or Bosnia gamer omo enso team boy no minutes obono ono enso team impress ye pan am Pedri enso a boy 75 minutes Spain omo national under 21 continue Ecobo 2 games Munya 6 points were Brazil for and so Ecobo South America qualifiers and then Messi for the first time in 15 years of one Argentina etwa Bolivia Eco Showman and so any quarter boy Argentina etiminya resource Messi na the form also and so many 40 able 2 games Spain wini bako and so etim elusu bako na Frankie de Jong and so a boy Netherlands and minor just in the form no and so Australia Antonio Rudiger said they obe fighting for the position because we're losing the place. I was starting line up amateurs. They said they obe try set back for no obe team aye part at the amateurs. 18 said you na Victor Moses loan kwade. Oko for the 6th time Victor Moses.
Loan sir. Place we was we bomb some loan sir. Unzo dos cra. And Moses in kwa. Okay. Enti na also no. My catchers over transfer. How many times my catchers over transfer? Men for pump movement.
Good morning.
Good morning, let's say.
Namiadum. Aso.
I'll give you say a pump no. Aso mo TV sukra no omusu ne wa me am to anim direct. Ehu. Mama na me hwe wo fia. Na say me tu kwa na me hwe wo. Ai je nyankopon. Ndi mo amohwe TV yesre mo a mo fanisa
na aso ana
Ozai
apai
Gare
ni sichide na wose doso
Ozai
asi sichide doso
ba gare di okay o kasa o di coach atutu no obi antia zazere ye to aso ayensu se minkanchiro accountant se oba office wa obewe anoma
I know correct
enye
ade me wewe omo ho ye pen
no keka no bi ka ho ba ai ne so yesa
oh ebi am de omo pen twa de na mafako ebu am fa keke ebu am fa ai mata ebu am fa prince
so mo discount neto
oh no I don't think she tomo omo to
ayensu se minkanchiro
onto
se nyoma oba accounts office obi wewe ano emwa
pen kase onye specific se me wi an pen
okay me catch ro because omo nyina na ba me hono mo e
omo catch me say baby edru no omo ka me ntia seti aba wenim dia bibia be se nti me form pen
na dia me fa eja dia me fa bo no dan konfo
eno kure nti me ja me form pen
na am robber
and no
some robbers na starting to get here
and they say come about first
Bungwana efufu.
Go hold up my face do.
Okay.
Gare.
Yes. Na stone no hardwin.
Asa.
Hardwin me name ko.
Na me ko hwe me yi masa.
Yo ne nkwala no, paki nkwala no. Smith.
Den.
Amankwa.
Kokko no.
Na ima.
Kokko na na.
Wala munya. Obian ho nya 30 years.
Obian 30.
20 plus.
En so ma emre.
Na nkwala mu use stone.
O ma emre.
Nu sa me no. And I say oduti.
You know, I think
young guys look around there, bro.
I think in Yanina Edina
Smith, Amankwa Mas,
small boys, small boys, more. But two guys in the minimum. Only 30. No, they know I'm for problems.
So almost starting use stone. No, I check. Now, my car saw the original. No, omo aji discuss omo de mama na me dia bro.
Na o match ba kwa na
match am bubu. Nkola nkete mu use to.
Na
to a be shop obia boys na go na adwuma mu dia. Mo so am no mbe hia bia bo feel say o ma ho
di bia. Stone. A stone.
Yenko. Once mbi ha.
I release about later. Sikagare. Let me trust tablet and suspension. Aye dropper. No, let me trust tablet and suspension me. Anasa krani nyama bia pebia tobiano. For when it's Malina, na Malina mbwao. Ronaldo Virginia da Robenti.
USA.
You look disappointed.
Yes.
The next just few minutes here.
Yes. Abante no vre, una ni ma.
Okushiegu.
Ai.
Ana obusu.
Special you know. Onu akokushiegu.
Ana obusu
obu hot water adusia.
Odigumu
was well. Inti no ekoye cooled. And I'm so over hot kakra fra ba me.
And wo kushiegu.
No akushiegu no de.
And odi hot water na ba. Razak asemwe de minti minka bi ma.
Na bidim so who be answer those I don't know.
I don't
know. Business those. Anafi
Sunai Zongo and if you yes, Omunina, Obi here Bibiano, number ne dear was about the Frisiso. All right.
Now, Memuso Assemble,
and they check credit. You check credit. Yenche Ronaldo Darumenti, Ukase, Yahomes.
Why you stone will feed that with him?
When you saw baby ada.
Who you stone that?
David.
How many Bible you are?
I Bible. Okay.
Why you stone that?
Where you?
I
may you stone that. I may you stone that.
I had this.
May you stone that.
Why you stone that? Why you feed that? The stone that be you
Miss Stone. You see a check. What to?
Papa,
The two anymore. No cracker. This is no cracker. Maybe I said to
any the other Babu cry.
No, Babu.
There's a Yamiam woman who Babu go to
come a quarter.
Okay. All right.
Then I want to check credit through just saying.
Mamma, then I call.
Fear for Bianca. Oba Keke, why you so? Where you Mobiamba?
You should stone, but on
the club engage. Look, I've always said to build a team, you need communication, and it's important that the club engages with the fans, and I'm no different. You know, I want the fans to believe what we're trying to do. I've always stated it's a work in process, but I'll be judged on results. And at the end of the day, it's important that the fans know what we're going, and we have to communicate with them. And for me, they've been brilliant with me since I've been here, and I hope they continue. It's not about me. I hope they continue supporting these young boys, and hopefully we'll bring success next year.
Point 3. Monkanchem this year in Amenchemade. My mouth 30 cities or between my chems have voice. Ronaldo, Virginia, US in Adaruma. My chem of 30 cities credit the good phones to see my voice within 30 seconds. 0244 263902 0244 263902. Alhaj Ashai Baba.
Sergio,
it's your turn.
Thank you very much, Sergio. Sergio, Mamenko, and the house needs to be a ma. Sergio, the house needs to be a
house needs to be a ma.
Sergio, is so quite the Frafo Kumasabi, and it's really the Hohene. The intimate Kamuasam, Tiafanasa, and they need to be a ma. Mamenko, people find the energy. Omna, almost simple was it just a trio. The energy. Ha, Dr. Amosapon, the people, and was say, Mediama FC will win double this year. Moses Parker. Sejo, ura Moses Parker was a fee. Yamena Doma. Or in the account. Mediama Beji double FA Cup on Beji, League title on Beji. The energy, Etuja. Sejo, tentem so. Mame copy prefer the corner, Pierre Corner Bedier. Pierre Corner Bedier was say Sonny Yakuba. Aussi Yakuba de Sonné de Burkina Faso l'a visité du Tanzania. La coule la monde Obomité chamboulé la toit la pété. C'est Joe Abradi a fait Sonny Yakuba non Tanzania wo dia gros papa. According to Pierre Konabedi. C'est Joe eso lidi go keno tu kaba se ho ye Kufu Ejadio, Sana Pipano Casejo. Sejo, did you be
Yakuba na player no?
Sejo, Pierre Konabedina, the Biabijam for Bato. Newspaper review.
Toss the toss with you.
People in the French fund the Bible.
Minimum country say, what should any special interest in Sonny Yakuba? It is all followed the way Biaba can was him.
Sejo, Bebecas a meal, me pacho.
Toasso.
And that people say, okay, Mate. Where la Proca, Sejo? Was a club to Accra, La Liga, Safini. Safini and go to La Tour, Le Monde, c'est tout la cour, 50, c'est tout la mar. Omodije, Timaleku, Hotel là-bas, monsieur. Sergio, according to the precoce team one cry. Na sa team no. According to opponent in field no mo nyelegida. In field no mo nyi lecture organ hada. Ena Crawford catch o say da bi. Mato petit you enu field ka kwa say a. Wasi ye beti anas expose na firi mu. Ye beti covid firi mu. Na tamalidi na mo kwaji yesu no so bibi ne si ye na mo kwaji ya molike tu apia firi mu 10 years. Say the people no can say you. Where about to express?
No, na sere.
La Proca French for the Bible.
Quoi?
Bédasse. Voici la Ghana, la pâté de la playa 11-14. Demain, c'est le coup au tuer, le monde le soir, au plevou, volation, la bégation, le mois. Say you was it Team Kasibu Ghana ha, but took express no you no. Was it Team Kasibu Ghana ha? Wa fa place bebre e na o ma ka no so opamom e bi contract aka 2 years according to Botuka Express e bi aka 1.5 years e bi aka 1 year na woso wusika pa nso so sa place no se jo inse so betua o mu etika ma na waja o mu kwan no o from no o roba se kom no wu abeg me sem pese me mo 3 months pay na chese waja bibia man ka place nso mo mpini o to sana Botuka Express e kan wa mo club bi adi ni pa chawo dem di twato abrié voici l'attaquant de la Médiama, la tout la terre de Justice Blay, la tout là-bas, l'abattoir de attention. Voici Justice Blay. Ah, ma vie, chérie.
Voilà, doit se bailler.
Ah, voici Justice Blay. Wanyame. Ada pipa noka. Voici Justice Blay. Wanyame. Uka kwa siwa. Voici Moses Pakas wo be ma brata kwa. Sana pipa noka. Sejo mawie.
Okay. Yedi besi ya na den ho basisi ya na fi yedi ya kare nyina no ababeto amuso Kesben 93.3 live on Kesben television yen chakra na fi yedi foreign stories no ashase. Edi asem.
Denwa. And a voice no boy na I say I'm for nimpa o.
Aye.
Messages.
Kim Grant.
Okay, and
Grant, former
House of Oak coach.
Yeah, House of Oak. Yeah.
Okay.
Ade.
And then the part at the bapa. Na the winnie no I think man.
The phone is to grab a basso na.
The winnie on the number. I 024 991 6162. Or say or I feel no wonderful from.
Makati za wonu menyuni.
Intimate show TV.
Yeah, yeah, fat them TV so.
We I say ni deep ni.
Set capture mami.
We ni deep. Intimate say
how to on the wife.
On the wife ha.
Okay.
The number no was wrong. I feel
mami hwani bazo. Mami hwani deep no. Set.
On the winning.
Yeah. Fabra from Accra. Number no. Fabra from Accra. 0249 916126.
All right. Answer
man 30 cedis.
30 cedis.
I need the BAM team no. The BAM team no.
Kim Grant.
Mfasa ancheno. Ndi mo mfasa.
If you have for the requirement say almost ma almost form de bra.
If you have for me ma form adwuma.
Create segment mo.
Papacho my 5 year for adwuma.
There been pacho rock na kesi na fa yin na adwuma.
Se kesi na fa yin na adwuma. Nti no omo kokre on pekre do omo kono. Simple anambwa. Pekre asem ne ko no. Ana kwa
beso wo bebre o a o che.
Me pese mbuzariza me. Sem pekre ja me kono.
Ai.
So na kwajeba.
Ai.
Se mfanye ko anambwa. Na no mdo mpe bia me ho no mba. Ye bazisia.
Kesben Sports.
Vision afa yemra na emama bansem no kakrankra emfa emmamo na yentinsifi yenhwe de fie so ya baba no de ebram yenu so messages no eba ba na eba de kakra betudwa na eno so mate mwankasa monka andikem anopa bia mishase de free ho enti mame nko hwe na fi marijata enso ne fane de ento aso tentem emfa mai Soboko.
I'm Sadio.
Ever smiling.
Okay. When I'm smiling, I pay. It's now born in man out. How I wish I can meet me your backing vocalist, but unfortunately, secretary dia wono minimu kota intimi ne backing vocalist. And I'm mystery. Need to have Brantem. No, they draw. Be okay.
Who expect comment? From me.
UTV. Niti oba bradem ho. Who said draw did no be okay. Sika futuru no denam.
No comment.
Say you comment bi anti member.
Who is that can no kre. We are going to work.
The master nyina mo twedi ampo de kwa.
No cross wa mintumi nka bi.
Ni te on.
Say no cross wa mintumi nka bi.
Say you. Enna France and Croatia,
yeah.
It's a kind of UEFA League of Nations.
Yeah.
Neymar in Fisa and San and two sides are almost a Copa America final, already boom war, Estadio Nacional de Lima. And then I say now, countries minimum copy in the 2018 World Cup final. Estadio Luzhniki. ɛna no ɔmo san de bom na yɛhwɛ sɛ deɛ mɔde bɔ no bɛsi akɔ and both teams no and ɔmo wɔ in that group obi yɛhwɛ sɛ with that group of Portugal take lead no omne France now with the same point but near how France will fare whether they will repeat performance on them because you say Croatia team now about fem and with the kind of quality around players need be brave a form above fem need that form the Croatian national team the call finals of the World Cup for the first time in 20 years I who say the likes of Bonoma Bobamo perform double suka perform in France 98 now my German you some perform at that top level no a coach here lose to Real Madrid 1-0 in the Champions League final and yes Simon food now been our body for the French national team. It is either N'Golo Kante, Blaise Matuidi, Paul Pogba. It is a place where no more free Abrante and Griezmann for the counter-attacking system. It's the end of her Obo Abrante and Colentin Tolisso. Obo Abrante and Nzozi and Obo Adraro Yabio. So Obo send Nipa Emiensa. And Nipa Obo at the heart of the middle behind the two players, Kylian Mbappe and Anthony Martial Griezmann. Into the number 10 Griezmann Peso Nyabo El Barcelona. No, he's given that opportunity to play in France. The number 10 now Obo France now Peso Obon, he was given that opportunity to play that particular role the Atletico Madrid team. But in Barcelona, it is either the magician or the smaller magical that plays that particular role. It is either Lionel Messi who will be given the opportunity to flourish as a playmaker, as a link-up player, as an auxiliary striker, or as a false nine. And I say, Sa free rule na Dema Griezmann, was Atletico Madrid. Ye demand with the French national team. Sergio, Messi ye demand. And so this Barcelona current team under Ronald Koeman, it is either Messi or Philippe Coutinho that is allowed to be given the free role. In France, Griezmann excelled very well because he worked under another defensive coach building a game around him. He said you Atletico Madrid. But Diego Pablo Simeone, Ronald Koeman, and Didier Deschamps are three different coaches. You have two coaches Omwadi Omusuya na Omusuya no dube team and as Omaya friend Italy. You have Ronald Koeman who plays with football in the Dutch league and a true legend of the Barcelona center. So he comes in with fluidity, he comes in with passing, he comes in with dominance and possessive base midfield. It is a team that you want the players to use their technical superiority. Unfortunately, in the French national team under Didier Deschamps and Atletico Madrid, a different story. It is almost a Griezmann no Bokama no Barcelona no Ntimima. Sergio, that is the disparity between the three coaches and the system of play. Sergio, Enra.
So Okasa wo England national team no Sergio now wo team what building on an attacking sense or building on a defensive sense. And not game no boy no about Rhys James about Kono Kwadi e tron mo about Kyle Walker Matlana so tron about Harry Maguire 5 defenders and about 3 original Finfi Kevin Phillips about Declan Rice Mason Mount and up front Harry Kane and then Rashford. So Osha system now 5-3-2. Sergio England was so many players up front so she decided to build an attacking team for country rather than say or put so many players within the defensive structure of thinking say so playing the back five for their conceded 1 goal. Rhys James in your record and then Harry Maguire has been exposed. So we analyze Harry Maguire so closely individually tackling the baby as a Joe Onyadi. And now yellow cast 2 in the record by tackling. No before proud to the tackling so Joe BBC here. And so when I may say a dear reason about Southgate as a manager or because of building a defensive back three based on Harry Maguire. And it's hard to imagine she said even at Manchester United close to a full season when young Pablo Harry Maguire crowd adapted or Manchester United backline. Adaptation is different from technical abilities. Adaptation most often is center on the psychological part of it. And so what you do by local league say you had a Joe out stadium by Kotokobako Fanaba. So Joe not pressure ban so when to adapt within the system. Move him to other club or you talk of Benadata about very fantastic season for Liberty. About outside about House of Folk demands and remember boy into me adapting with ease. Gilbert Firmino for House of Folk. Elvis Opoku at some point they thought so very precise 7 or drama within the Kotoko setup. But psychological adaptation say Antonia and Yajma say Joe won't mean adapt the technical side of it. Harry Maguire on and off the pitch or suffer so much this season. Or Kwabonti and Ansem identity so no diaba. Or pitch no so Ansem diaba. Where does he survive? So in hot children. This is the adaptation I'm talking about. So you look at the fact that within the Manchester United lineup, was surviving whole team ball our pressure behind by ending so. Otamendi has been with Manchester City for close to 4 or 5 seasons. Pressure the BO Otamendi so say Joe a huge. So after one season, a very close monitoring on Harry Maguire, a proves a boy, he's here to adapt, and he's here to adapt within the Three Lions national team. So Southgate cast one the chief man, experienced defender, not the number back there. Now so there was very simple video. I'm passing highlighting baby Harry Maguire. New game no to see. I'm ra. I got to see what game against Denmark. So my person turn my boy and I could screen so.
And that's psychological problem, yeah. Before you remember, we so no.
Psyche no dear, say Joe. Why hit the nail no right on the head? Or big issue. A bit more call class on call off kakra.
Yeah.
So say the next game I be man be not doing the pitch so. Not you know about thing cry. Man for can man for Jini fan send a man for who no. Obeti ya man you man ye or join some man you Leicester deep level na ni na yes me won it.
The problem is not what man you now they be Three Lions.
I agree with you, Sergio. I agree with you. And the Kobana says it affects the adaptation. You can't adapt. If you can't adapt, why do we build the team around you? Wow, you've not adapted. How can you guide other people within the structure and manage and person setting? Three Lions back train your more idea, but the reason by the time we're moving your full backs be or more 2 bear 8. So many jana thought it wise, so about Kyle Walker as part of the centre backs, not about 3-back system. But we're asking England with so many players when we're beating about attacking football, quality one. When you're Sterling, no about when you're Sancho. But you're Sterling, me born in a Rashford is also there. Okwani one of Hurricane or Tammy Abraham or Tyrone Mings or quality, lot of offensive quality players. So why would Southgate decide to build his ideas on defensive game? No player on your adaptive or also na build the game the agent. So say Joe, hitting right on the head. A psychological problem and Harry Maguire and your technical abilities.
But person will try now explaining it technically.
So technically, baby on your good, a hormone and rank from exploit here. Until I may highlight a hormone. So regardless of the outcome psychologically, technically, baby issue kakrano and tackling. All the ball play centre backs and I say Joe, or more weakness say tackling. Either collective tackling, depending now on the moment they call tackling or 1v1 situations. A car non quan as already born in the money team. A hundred Harry Maguire weakness can create a hundred Denmark exploit here. So even though the psychological side no take weight, but technically the few deficiency say Joe and then red down who and that is tackling. And so person share tackling
all right.
Previously they atono anyhow be to be so but your Tony and boy kakrana yen share no so who share here I'm talking about a centre back, but on make it 1.1 successful tackles.
Some no emetwa moso. Kwamiki atrase edifie some no bremo. Akwame tente mamra ho na.
Ajeno we dem pacho mama njo time kakra bi be 1 minute. And of course ayenya fa Kim granted no even insults abem but a part of the job. Inti I am intro mo. Aha, e kan
wo hwe na odi atem na so bo wa.
No afande sa.
Ya na se chemade. Na say ne yehu no
na so general ton muma yanhwe enade ni general jo wini no na waase no pacho ho le den picture ne kire ye no ona wo fom a efri ho kosuro nyina obi etwae eba nyina obi etwae
mo amhwe Kesben television
ani 10:07 obi aso se ne 10:07 nti ebe hwe 10:07 no de ni di kan baaye eno na first one na wo fom no 0249916126 here no obi akabi etwae.
Okay, John the bar first.
And the bar first.
Over left side, they were from bar.
And the bar first. Into few kunyu be try Kim Grant. Akoba kupene de man of impom be ba man of impom Kim Grant. Nina 10:07. Into yes.
So does it. And 10:07 ready about the first. Yes, back. John the man. Into anyway at me be no.
And no decide. You be mo bia who see the city.
And the goof and the goof no TV no.
Into try. But obi be
Johnny Obajina hono. I'm saying the wife. 0249916126.
Only the man.
Simple.
Settle.
I'm ready to ana wafa.
No the account. And I know Kesman Sports on WhatsApp. Nipa ba ko ho akere ne pa. Your friend Owusu Sechere Alex. Owusu Sechere Alex. Alex say no ja no wallet containing the ID cards, nursing and midwifery council for ID card, the voters ID card or the new national identification card, commercial bank ID card, opportunity savings and loans card, the cast in our jagum into your throw. So now what friend number way am I 054 56 23 639 054 56 23639 we Kesman Sports on WhatsApp opinion down
and can someone for the internet in a higher power Facebook the car is any animal internet so the number it's making kind of memo then the main kind of message
Generally local stories and pay and a National Circles Council Oka Brantena Kumasi Santo Kosia Kanya ye boni tuno Etio Ekano no Augustine Opon Kumasi Santo Koroko Emano Amazadoria role and now play Kumasi Santo Koroko a revoke side media woman is a National Circles Council no and pay and a woman ajisa ambassador role no medemano no womaji edifrinism nina say a branteno a brakotoko o prayer kotoko National Circles Council for nation sa abedu sambri afedia to atem didie National Circles Council for say o didi o matem e de efa ho nti atem didie na enam so ema wo didi National Circles Council no na general wo magi e de free nisem
why dey
almost say o didi o matem
akoka no kura na
okay say
asem cropote de o man kan no so mo say o didi o matem e breachi dwumedi no mo de shanensan according to National Circles Council
kwame one
this your NCC
asem cropote ya okokan okay and seasoners were from see our kind, you know, a tia, and did you make this shows and yaji? I said, what is it? What's also okay?
Yaboko Mansuna any omedium commences for no much but Omaji, Ambassadorial Runo, if finism, Augustine upon a bony tuno, because in Tima supporters national Abedu Sabrino, Omaji, if finism. General says a fitness test, a barber coso, a war, tamale. Refi somebody Premier League no and the yakwa show bia pomodin General Obekai Nathaniel Anafo Okaisa refi no no Anas video no yes womucho letter ethics committee letter e de command Nathaniel Anafo so wa pie e wo omanim Okaisa macho letters akoma obi oba Anas video no bia na womuko hwehwe mu no omse Anafo ne huson oni problem bia in ethics committee no akle no to am clean in Intino, General, a man opportunity. I must say, we're part of refisa, one more airport fitness test. Oh, Tamaleno. A month for when you do, hey, no be a PM1 and us video, no, then Okobi, then Sectors Committee say, one more acleno. Na General, refis way, woman opportunity on Kobe. Alfonso Atiapa, Desmond Abe, Johan Navo, and Daniel Kwame Insia. Omo refisa General women opportunity anko fitness test ni bi na fanso atiapa de na nko nam kwanso FIFA badge no ba benye bi o hu se ne die ambem General ekoye esu wo esu yie papa se die mpa na waye ntia ne din enso ntima kopiem bi weekending and a fitness test no eno so ebetima koso den enso ewo ye tamale eno ne hihia eno so edawo yenko ministry na so ye kakram yenko ministry na so nche ena omo de LOC bai omo na behwe amo Ghana abrebe hosting Olympic yebe hosting All African Games no 2023 nenso so womo kwatana se no womo se huhia se Paralympics no womo eye nipa bako rep enso koka committee no tieno na honorable Isaac Kwame Esiama MP Minister for Sports what the letter about Bonting our chakoma the president of Ghana Paralympic Committee se sabre ehia se womutimi ede nipa rep bakoba no so ko committee ni so bi eno ne hihia eno so aba betodwa yenko Kumasi Asante Koroko aseye Kumasi Asante Koroko kopiemu e Kofodua no wo mo prepare for season no enra and wo mo de design no Jessia womo eba be no womo di design no nhihye no aba betuja se sabrei wo ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporter na wo pese uchusu Jessie makotokwa eye star 389 star 552 hash eno ne short code a ubedi so udi so a na watimi enso so chusu Jessia ugidi se Kumasi Asante Kotoko season a ebe konkan womo okofodua prepare na January preparation no ekoye pa team no obia apomden awosoro goalkeepers training say 2 goalkeepers and womo akabomu a womo ye training ba and Felix womo so training den enso ewo ho Emmanuel Keyeke enso so ewo bi woni nsema tudwa wose sabre Kumasi Asante Kotoko ba wabe se wo ye Kotoko wo ye player na sian kan ma club bi na Kotoko frew se brabe sia kan ma na o se den so be ten no se omugba enunti na ogituma waba a obeboa Kumasi Asante Kotoko Emmanuel Keyeke.
The call came through my manager that they want my services, and that was how it started. I mean, who says no to Asante? I'm always a fighter. I started from nowhere, and I don't see myself stopping now. I'm always a fighter. I give out my 100% and give him very, very well. It's as if I've been here for a long while, and I can say so far so good. I knew about 50% of the players before joining, but those that I didn't know them massively, coming into contact with them, they are also very, very good. So far, so good. We will give.
When some Emmanuel Keyeke and so Adia Tuja, Najano Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and Tia Yatene say, management no Adia to playing body name, players no, says Sabri, signing on fee, Kesia, Omutiano. Omo ejai sese no sika de be ma no near spreadi e de amount near chichim now salary no emu adu there is some of the senior players say sad decision ni de wo support it e bi mo say sad decision ni de wo support it and until there is say management no e betu na ma kokufodua no many players no and the technical team no asanso akosie biom a discuss sa issue no because omo gidie say I was so mutimi discuss efri o netimi buama kotoko nyema ekoye edemo yenko Ash Gold asoye Ash Gold Mama Shasie Academy no womo prepare ye papa say de be metimenya a strong academy between 16 and 19 years players and abomo air form Safo Castro and airboa se womu etusa anamone de nenden and no na Emmanuel Frimpong edituja say Sabro Shares Gold team na a solid to say the president of Ash Gold, Dr. Kokufu report the two Jano, Nanso me be 3 signings. I'm an abecatim no. Emmanuel Frimpong.
Yeah, because right now I can say Nathaniel is in here. Yeah, he has a little problem. So hopefully by next 2 weeks he should be out here training with us as well. So for now, and we have a couple of players. I'll say at least 3 players coming to join the club as well, which I wouldn't want to disclose the name because I want to get the things done before we actually disclose that.
Emmanuel Frimpong, see you the match go the tuja was also Kasai so GDS and Pem da Costa woman no a very good signing women are quality players our Babesia Kain at the Ama Ash Gold.
He's a late player, he's a good player, and Pem da Costa is a good player, very good player.
We are proud of his signing.
Oh yeah, I'm proud of all the players I signed. To be honest with you, I'm proud of signing all them players. I'm not gonna say I signed a player and I regret signing him. Nah. Well, Kesben is a big television station and all of that. So obviously, I'm just going to say a big thank you for you guys being out here supporting us with your love and everything. And I will say a big thank you to the Ash Gold supporters as well, because without them, we can't run Ashanti Gold. Without the supporters, we can make Ashanti Gold get to the...
But I say, Bayanko Gaka say the date about on the 5th of November, and a one more Abako Congress. Now for me, the roadmap, no, and so Ababeto, for election, Babeto, Aba, need the new Gaka chairman, no, so Etimahe. Sanso and a house, Infantuja, says Sabre has a book and so go prepare Crash Sports Stadium, and a woman prepare China training Banawia, one may decide who may be a team, no, Abako pre-season, no, Legon cities, and so Genua, one more prepare ye papa, and one more Kujina does be Mundi. nsuo gumu egyina ma yina de
okay ma meaning ko kakra sisi okay na yemeto adwene ene na Kwame Dankwa National Circles Council Kumasi Asante Kotoko dwedwen komo kakra na Kwame yema achiba Kesben television so
big joe mejo so
na saboko de
ina nyame adumo na mo so
Upon the BI Bokopa, with a Kakrabi and Savadaji Kakrabi, a Brantia, Sabitu Kano, Ewa Babaya Stadium, National Circus Council, name say Mukuta Muyepa, ne Bills, ne Bibia, na Mona Mosha Branti, a woman rule Bikra, ambassadorial rule be na all play. Yes, say, most work beer and what Kasimbi, Anya Modentima withdraw, sir, Jumedia Namadema Nina. But much Mukakra.
You, and that's it. I'm in charity for supporters in Asantiman. And no credit. I say, Kodokoni Chelsea or Babaya Sports Stadium. Early this year, in enemy a true count, guessing upon. Now, after that, National Circus Council, I found the tree. I want to say, election, Leabua, Nan, Hotonoa. Yeah, you should look at Nanka, the pitchy against the Ghana by all that. It's a man down, but I don't have room. Said they wouldn't that I know. Kabia and one who be far and I feel film, Nayari film will be seen there. Let me and enough for those in even artificial a year festival chair. Just last week or two, Dr. Chumasimukwa Sabre, a new bill be and Ukrana, a cabin cover 2,700, almost trust can be man, almost their bias and kutia. But Ben out no frame, I say, full say police for no any year. And that is the two born will be a man. It's on in a bush for a call radio. Come catch and say, it's signed the police. I don't know. You push here through Ghana Football Association. I'm on the petition. Come IGP. I can see who I sound. Maybe I could do. Quite apart from that, the National Circus Council, to an amount I engage lawyer, I end the personal player Safuduku. Say, young fan as some court. Now you're quite bad. Say, compensation. Now you're the manual. It's the ISI didn't. I'm no case of failure as a football, or better to this bad. Eti, Menina Casa Bibia, come on, last week, no friend say, Omontium wanting to end on the corridor. I thought to be a good one, Odi. After you go here, TV, radio interview should be a wire. After quite a year now, your police one or bomb or poor NCC, Christopher Damania, and myself mention our names in the interviews. Say, you need to be here. Yeah, no, what's no? You can't say, baby, Nayatia, yeah, the papa. They discuss it thoroughly on the national executive level. And the decision is that, Sabi, we show a confirm quan, yeah, see a one. Seriously, South of them say, then about continue to say it. Say, yeah, Kotoko supporters, Uba Taya, registered members of the Kotoko supporters, and a year responsible for them. Or guessing upon on your circus member till date on your circus member. And today, a man on a moi. It is an ending soir, then a better say a big guy. Now my dear so number 2. Brand I didn't eat mamma, yet the acquired to my dish or authentic brand in the public. It's your first and some wire. It's a reading and announcement decided to young withdraw the ambassadorial rule at their man, but a share their channel anymore at their man. National chairman said, and say you can't want some crown public. You need actually, I'm a baby. I have because I've been there. I'm passing away. I told you, now when some cafe or one.
Okay, it's ambassadorial rule. Nunkwa na ma withdraw. Name a sharp motion in answer. No, what jai moving you?
You didn't trust me. You first said the INY.
Wow. Then come what you say dear nebe mo bia mo hwe no bo no ho ka mo sra no ni nyina no ye ni tua obekwa bonten akoka setia mo sa dear ne wo hwe dear poti ne si and to me yes no
ya bi ho ayen ti ase enti ama egidi say na ma ya disappointed and the Felicia Augustine were very very ungrateful to the National Circus Council and especially the chairman and myself because they were one idea and almost a lot of interviews are on why they are candy man and a young man say all of a sudden sabi also who come for an ocean and I won't come for aqua flow and when Jama who check and say na mouse a matter of video and more because they say the born and Maya when I be passing the can I be pass I am but say utili you when you figure I am in answer ɛkɔ granting interviews ɛkasa tia sɛ deɛ yɛ pamɔnefo a sɛbe sɛ kura sɛ maka no menya
ɔyɛ specific demands bi ɛna ne nsa nka mfiri mu hɔ anaa
ɔse yɛahyɛ ne bɔ ɛna yɛnhwɛ no yɛmfrɛ no but wofrɛ no wohia biribi a wokɔtɔ nduro sɛ mea me mobile phone sɛ mebɛn na meyi even sika a mea masɛ ne through the phone a akɔma no a wobɛhu ebi anya kɛse a nka ɔpɛ na sɛbe obi boa wa ɛmmoa na ho de bɛtumi no nso bɛtumi de aboa sɛbe takora kyɛ me sɛ meka ɔgɛsi sofia busua mu enti biribi ba na yɛn afa no sɛ yɛ kotokɔ busuani ne yɛboa na ɛmmoa yɛ ho de tumi no yɛde bɛboa wo sɛ ɛnso a
na bɔbɛ na mokɔhyɛ no no
yɛanhyɛ ne bɔ biara no asɛ national chairman yɛkɔ ne hɔ ɛna nkɔmmɔdie no sɛ yɛhu sɛ na ɔdrive obi kaa ɛnti ateɛm no si yɛ koraa no kaa ne ka Heroes Park ɛnti later ɛhu a ne ɔsɛ yɛne ne ho kafo kɔfa kaa no yɛde kaa awurade nkɔma no sɛdeɛ no nkɔfa asɛm foforɔ ma number 2 yɛ decide sɛ ɛnɛ yi w'ani mmienu na ɔdrive obi kaa akɔba sɛ w'ani baako ahoato twuman ebi a ɛka awura mfa kaa no ma bi nyame adom na ɔhotɔ wa yɛbɛyɛ sɛ yɛbɛpɛ kaa bi ɛde aboa na wode ayɛ adwuma anaaso bi koraa na ɛbɛyɛ adwuma de anya ho mfasoɔ bi de ɛde aboa wa asɛm a yɛne ne kaa yi eti sɛ no na wohwɛ anim na yɛtumi nyɛ ho ntu hɔ anammɔ ma wo a menni ni sɛ going to public sɛbe ɛkɔ kasa tia yɛ ne mmoa yɛde aboa no ɛna ɛbɛsɛ ɔbo problem ɛno nti yɛfo sɛ ɛntwa yie sɛ yɛsɛ yɛbɛboa ne yɛnya mmoa anaa deɛ yɛaboa wakɔduru no w'ani nsua na ne nso bɛdidi atɛm deɛ a anaa bɛkasa tia yɛ a baabi a yɛabɛduru no ayɛ
I'm so I am a hamo ye pa. Na mo ye ho hwe enye ye. Untimi ntampa Justice of Mercy na o hwe ne situation na owo mu no etuo kɔ kan ne ti nani. O se obi okosa tibia no mu no. Ana ne nyoma no nhye da nye de em se obi a pese ohun no. Ana etimi tifa ba bi kakra. Untimi ntampa Justice of Mercy na mo hwe ne situation na o mu no se bia no ntina ma na kɔ ye sa ne ma no. Obre
Because onimenya issues but they will be some issues. Or koye interview or survive. Omu bisa and some more concept. I also had the opportunity I want to make us. And make friends and top one interview say, or how next 2 years. Mesro almost omunyano no mo pushing it too much no. Psychologically, only right frame of ideas say, obetumi yi nsɛm ni nyinaa no sɛ deɛ nka yɛbɛpɛ no. Ɛno na mekɔkaa no so obi aka kyɛn sɛ mɛmɛ sisabe wabɔdam. Ɛno kora so ayɛ issue a ɔno kora nti ɔne me te ado anwoma so wɔ ho ɛna masa akɔka sɛ ɔnyɛ sɛ kwesini ɛno so ɔnte bi da ɛnti no kyɛ sɛ wohwɛ nneɛma na ɛkɔ no a yɛanhwɛ ntraso ntɛm a ɛde ɔhaw bɛba and this decision no is not about Nana Kwame and Christopher the executive committee decision a unanimously no ɔmfo sɛ adeɛ a yɛayɛ ɛne kwan aberantɛ no de yɛafa so no ɛbɛyɛ sɛ yɛbɛtwa so na adwuma no ɛde ahyɛ ne saa koraa yɛbɛgyae na ɛtu akɔto baabi atwerɛ that is why asadeɛ no nyinaa baeɛ.
Okay. Na never dance no paper ebesan no atwin komo biom yedase. Na Kwame Dankwa National Circles Council. No atwin komo kakra no. Kwame twaso
brilliant fancy.
Oh, a brilliant fancy say. Na story no mo nizu. Asamoah ne Bravo Jane a tennis story bi na.
Now mama now I details now be my moon details no.
Come on for sorry to be who dey what did you details?
Now my details no.
Who was some transfer and say
there be transfer me transfer say.
Okay, then for release that story no.
Tennis no mobile.
Okay,
mobile tennis Asamoah and na
so we so anya call our PA.
Why?
So we can just wo no me no. And yet we so anya call a PA no be transfer no so.
Why?
Oh, okay, sorry.
About and ebe nyina. I'm about tennis.
Guy no details na ewa. It's not kind police station say nyina na wa.
Anytime I say why anytime.
Engine bosso.
And me bosso dia.
CEO of WebSoft Solutions. Okay. A friend of Godwin Marty. Wodi mfie aduasa. Okay. What do you know? And na afi yentwaso.
Tennis. I'm about tennis. Tennis koso between Asamoah Jan and na Mate and na in a referee a friend ampa ba a tennis mo. And I say mentim wasi bi enso bae. And na mante se omobium and na mante ekotena nchen. Mante kotra nkyɛn no ɛna baafo kɔ nso sɛm no Mante also bad in me bowie I want them in chino and chibi by a
crab na ntokwa no sia na koso ho no yinti kakra bi yara daurma nsaka kakra wa ha ndi yinti kakra.
You are trying to create an impression here. Before the game, you started making excuses.
But you, for your, why will you say you slap me?
You see? That's
but he said so, and he even hit me now. He has hit me.
You deserve it.
Wow.
Wow.
No problem.
Take me to the radio station. Now it's so alone. Where?
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Hey, man, so light, no.
You see, he hit me.
Got it. Is that your racket?
Bafo hit me.
Is that your racket?
No problem.
You like talking, eh? Wait, you like talking, eh?
What have I said? I'm talking to the person.
What you make a show? What you make a show? Shut up. Why are you psycho or what?
But what have I said?
Whose racket is this?
Is that why he hit me?
Whose racket?
No problem.
Hey, if you say I'll hit you them. If you like talk, I'll hit you again.
Wow.
What's your name, guys? What's your name? Your friend is saying. Boss.
Oh, it's okay. No problem. It's okay. It's okay. Like, what is that how things go here?
No, it's okay.
You say he hit me, Bafojan hit me, Asamoah hit me, and you say you slap me.
No, it's okay.
He threw something against me. No, you are a lawyer.
I'll call
Is
you.
this right?
I'll call you. Just forget about it. It was just a game. I called it.
Sorry, I always call you. I've forgotten your real name.
Veronica.
Vero. Look at what has happened. Please look at the embarrassment.
No. Let's go.
He will beat me. He will continue to slap me.
Let's go.
Aren't you surprised, boss? Are you not surprised?
Boss.
My car is parked there. I have to pass here.
Gordon, I called the game. I'm so sorry. Please.
But look at this.
Please.
Slap me, beat me, hit me
please,
because of a game.
Please.
Okay, no problem.
Please.
It's fine, no problem. I came for the game.
Please.
No problem.
I'm begging you.
All right. Come see him.
Okay. Yemfa no so NC ha. Na local stories no. Yedi we need chatwo. Kwame we na also di chatwo mo. All right. The event chatwo na referee kala so ha. Hey, who kroma?
Yo wow.
Sabo ko de.
Nyamnadu.
Me po ahwe wa me mfre no ma betwem se de mani mo. Ko na hono. All right. Enti yemma mo be 6 minutes. 6-7 minutes. Na fi Franco Naro.
Sergio. Mama say from baby I went there.
Yeah.
Asamoah ne Martino Kobo tennis. Bafuja ne Empire and on a referee. Uti the narration of a opinion as I read on my Joy Online. No, not as a Ufuzana Bafu as a referee Nisisino. Bono the SA commander enko na wajietiano. So he decided say omobi and a bear argument. Now audio to say the least for me is embarrassing, very, very disgusting. Adiana itiano. Obviously, so I complain or police station, and you would have to be cautious not to sound judgmental. Because in Yanko court, all right, but obviously a legal issue. A tape na wati. It's even possible BBC before the tape abe. On the tape no, obviously this is the victim's recording. On a record here, and you don't also know near course one sana go to that extent because it doesn't actually click in my mind. Yeah, but tennis. Mean to asubi enunti yebebo. If it will be a normal, that thing won't go on. Until I want to be
my
yes, I want to play it.
force babo because I had no nti ebia na ntisa
that's what I mean say ebi kura mpa bibi ku course one sana nipa no e de sa tape ya ba bonten. The most important thing I see is extremely unfortunate, but I want to give them the benefit of the doubt. Probably there were other incidents that happened that led to that assault.
Okay.
Intimami fairness yo. Okay. Kotokone circles no ne Augustine Opon. Me and Kazam Augustine Opon we din come a couple of times. Na I think say I does on tini maybe I see. Because I don't know frame, you know. The first thing the complaint was police for. Ya tunitu police for no sorry, woman is Kennedy, a woman is can't tell you any. Nambisan say, o may moon say, you scabby the police for accounts more. Sa samba, ya assembling young court, you police for no be ya many panedi diana. Enti onya butre. You know, they call circles for no so. Ka mukazo mbeto man ka ninya mai ade no motete no sese na irenyam isi tu baby ana yesi aniwa ni areho na yefunso ye dapafo cause uhwe ni situation na mze ni hye na nka oba na ebo an kakrakra na one oba na sa anyim nti oba no so ntumi enko no aba na wabeboa nti aho kire no nso aye more but I think say ne family no omo amwano going to the extent say okogu circles for now omo empenyim for anymore say in public say be obi so oboa even if we make promise no so be obepeka ma me kai my engage na nakwa amemo e wo kodwa asante papa na yi na se na yire na yi na se omo say the processes and say omunim say case na dia obenya compensation every Ghana by ho until they are helping him with the processes and all that. It's unfortunate, but send you know. For all you know, pressure ne niema kan binti ne bia woko ne sei. Inti circle from paying for no. And one of the boy no momodin. Or abusua all right, but the bia abusua no so entene. So into it me feels Augustine upon send abusua for BTA. Omunkopa circles from paying for the chop. Certain ye near the no de yo menyefe. Oshana mo even the level of makwa bedru krano said you easy.
It's
not easy.
Say, Ubi or Papa Sana say, young fan is from Sony, Bonnie, Bini, Kai Papa now I own.
Chef Papa now I own.
Kind of positives, no.
Look at it.
Fan of from Socha.
Nana Kwame need a menina, Nana Kwame and kind of busy, no more did just walk on your bar, or more call a confanoche, and make sure say, Dr. C. The last say you cram who and say, Omutia about him said 25,000 Ghana cedis.
Look at that.
It's not easy, they've done their best. It's in a bush your phone
time, crowd, the menyanum time, Pia,
and easy.
You say, and the promises we have background, no munyam fama.
Say you,
as all called
me feel say, even on psychologically, because who be a 2 abubako road trim, dear,
free, but
who, and it could be. Say there's something wrong somewhere, but the family members should help. Now, because if it's a Kotoko family fighting the cause, they are more likely to get justice. To the extent of GFA, ko abaimu, ema abaim paying for so no asamno, omunkan is not easy. The most important thing is Abranti no bit getting a life back. With the omunfebu for no tunchen. Say yo, final one. Mekai ebrebi Herbert Mensah bremu ana asante kodoko e share suit share jeans no mu share foot ana se kambu kroma yes re wa say say na yenim say a life wa brochire suit ne a ihe no e chire armanfo a omu sire ya hu say ye mum na ne aka e chire nentisa na say honom ana house folk training ground pictures image ye say omu ye bucket bath where house of folk dear no omo the ice keeps near day a good bucket no more dry room and also am for 3 omu ne ekofa as pictures here was ye and the baba twice here na nredua and a Legon cities and so ye bi omo hwe TV no when so ye Legon cities and so there omu gina containers in my blocks near the on the social media, I also heard people trolling them, but clearly people don't get it. I'm on phone. Abrafunu Kroma is at the highest level. They do it. Where a club, I think Celtic for DNA. How different is this from the Legon Cities for ye? Any the house of where Arsenal? Uko abrocha sa containers we. Sa containers we. Omo de sesewura.
Nezum la ya here bi.
Ebi ha no. Omo giram. Na enra me ne some medical guys edidi hu komo bi say and they told me enormous benefits. I home. Enti eda so tie da dem. Ebi ha ne container dey e buy.
Oh.
And if you don't know, you don't know. And I say your system ni si kono. Who are there na won't say ya. But mo dey bi say mo kakra nsa no atwetwe.
Make me dey dodo.
Wan hwe abegu hu anim ase.
Lunch we dey.
Sajo we ka fried rice ne turkey.
Turkey ayachi.
Ayachi no.
It's on me, eh? Why all make me dey?
That's it. If you don't know, you don't know.
No me wano.
No ye tin. No ko hwehwem kakra.
Yeah.
So
okay. That's it. Issues are fine and why no. Basa. Ozu mama hwe ozu be ade be fa no. Ana me hu so ozu betuma nya me lancha.
Me da hwa na me nya. Sajo.
Ebe how dey makono. What him say dey amenya. We are not passing out.
We are not to me. Sajo. Baby Jet akache Ghana for nyina ase yenye fair to him.
Oh.
Ne modern bo eni ne dwumadi e wadidi ama blaster no. Nko pese baabi obefa bia no na no na ye ka. But unfortunately, ni din papa wonya no park ne so no. So year no free wa. His name had been surrounded with bad things and that's a bad news. Ebinye. Sajo. Ene ekusi be se echina. He will be all over the place. He will be all over the place. And as an icon, Sajo Yetiasi says, will be at the other walk out. Nasa Obona, Obian Kubusa said, there Abono. Your name will be all over the place. No Bia boy, Chijola Kakobubi. Ain't baby jet. So no be bot tennis. Nipa Crocra and a cotton tradia cania. You be a becan say baby jet, and in New York Bubi. Said you see, yeah, Yeti said. Only can you issue no, he was all over the place and said you sanity. Oh me can in Century now.
Ken Daniel Kenu is on the original editor Daily Graphic.
Okay.
It is a do. So ka baby jet one sempa and somebody a opesanya kan fa ne ho no e che otwe huni. Bebre.
So you're perfect, Anna.
This is not about you being perfect. It is about him. Sajo. Ronaldinho ko da prison said bia na kan ho news a and I die. Obia anka se Ronaldinho ho nipa. And 70 ba fan home Harry Maguire kunya issue with policemen in Greece. It was discussed.
Okay.
It isn't about you being perfect or not, but you being an icon, how you are going to manage the situation is very, very key.
Okay.
So, oh baby jet, what do you be a baby IO news? Said baby I mean I'm coming about tennis and came TV so. And it is because of baby jet tennis or news or baby. And I was so how I'll be see manage you on. Bianca Premier League players even a Kobu Bianca Yente. Basajo is baby jet. Into a dimbone na dorsal. Oma de Bia and Juma dear what din or park as an unselling. But in Ghana, Sajo, he's all over the place because of sad news we are running. Blasters, issues in 2014, issues about bonuses, issue about commission of inquiry, issues about you beating journalists, issues about captaincy, and a whole lot. So do Tiakoto captain so said you and a whole lot. And to baby that he be an icon, said you, microphone and managing it very well. Then he didn't enter.
Okay.
August now upon a Kotoko Penny 47. Police the end of the call radio so I'm for 8. So you the 4 biba NNK di 2 board and ya said you. Minya so sen kebesi ne okroma. Enka police di bia fa ne hodi. Enka ye die ni pakra. Odi 2 ni board nka ne die pie. Into police the end there said you. Or the call radio 3 TV so I'm for 8. Wa anya sa ekoye. Ni pakra be fa ne hodi. Moreover, said you ahokire yawo. Sa ahokire ba obetimi akasa amadiachan. Ko mo ani mfiri ba bia ama. Eno so de patapa ne nam. Inti esa wan hwe ya you go beyond the boundary. Obeka nsema enimu nyina.
Because the nya ahokire nko ahokire ni yare. Yes serious na kambum.
Okay.
Let me count as
Matthias.
Editor boot ma kan woni.
Yes. Me am my interview no that because na mo also one interview no. I think say Nana Kwame reference our man, it was an interview I am grant here. And he said, "You, yes I want to boss I will can say me baby." Koto company for no maboa but Nana Kwame ntimi am point out asem potin a okae. Ntina mi busa say you kroma dey say you okoka no kra etimi ka sasa ato ne empese obeka no okoka ntikra you afrim. But and also was a moi or dia born from the very first day at the babisi ne. Inti I agree with Sir Franco Naro said you in so tono be man ne kwano kro agina ne so amwa aboa. Inti the least time penning for na ye dia man no at least you need to appreciate. And I agree with Sir Franco say on pen crofo na on Copa Christopher and Nana Kwame Mocho because on man helping hand out from that game na the babisi there. Inti so no muko kunya problem I said you how are you going to survive? Because opening himself no bibia kire say mo bia mfiri ba bia ama apart from some penin for kakra say you omoboa no nti say on some penin for ya sa kunya issue say you e kwa be na be fa so etimi akoanim so I agree he need to solve that particular issue amicably with Nana Kwame and Christopher Demenya said the be anema be ko ya man moreover sa promise same bibi ni say you e ya omunyai ye beto ka amount ye be say amount say kroma was the BBC ya na panimu bi akwa akugina no akɔhye bo simple me ka hye moku edi na ase pani bi kɔhye bo me kwa ya na me busa ani din ɔmo bo odi na me twa so because ono de wa evident what say so betimi ai but asemsia we have a lot of people that will come on board no ma beje fans oni panim kwa ɔmo je fans ni wi ai free hall kon say do aka onu usumye obi amfa mo obi amwa okay it is that kind of fans na panim for na dia ɔmo nya so adwuma no say do omunyai but I agree the guy need to solve the issue with the Kotoko circle so the bear said you survive.
If you have fame and money you can do whatever you like in Ghana. Audiophobia on the way by at saying me uncle Joseph and so message you are ye by Mreno Papa Rafikala
so you we do Adaroma Mr. 70 years dear Mr. Dapa. And then in 70 years, police retired police inspector Dapa. And then when you're 70 years, or retirement 10 years in it, Mr. Dapa, we there. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mr. Dapa. I hope Uncle Sunshira Mount Quatin Mai. Why? Yes. Happy birthday, Mr. Dapa. So this training is simple for everyone to do. So I want you people to tell us the benefit of it. I want to tell us the benefit of it because bathing ice cubes or in ice cubes is easy cry and if senior zongo energy we aba do what ceremony
nyame adoma weekend referees yokotumika otamale nyame weekend
okay
yako prepare
okay
fitness test and
achi yeah
nenti ade a be sere o mo ne se o ma inkrofo bi di afri so a obodo o ma beto the GF website say omadi in some money but we be at any free banner they said to referee manager nani say no referee there say na edimrika we na untumrika asa yen fro biem there's opportunity for Afonso omukoye 11 wonders and interlice match why match no ama home team lose 3-1 as a 3-0 he taking hostage why report kama afe bedru ya for 7 months yen ka asem no and now opportunity aba amane say ezo ntumika wa yen courses na awie no ogotumika ya say afe ne dey asem no ko ethics committee a che say yentimi mane ko ye ebi ne kotu ne tananafo senka pedmo mo ko punish ne tananafo no omunya emreke tu abi twen kakra aka ne tananafo kan ho ankyere no ekenen kan fifa baja anhwere no hwe de pass nyina afa ne azo neti ni tananafo but age ne baja free ne sem ye be sempanyfo no say omom tuo nyina ye referees da omom tuo nyina om ka referees ho ena om de aba bedru ba bi om adru no omom hwe se de how e brand yaw ewom na obi atimi atu na mo akwagodu ba bi a wadru no ade se de nyina so ombo mo de se